made it fun to give me a chance.
You have to go out again on the water?
I can't do second.
But congratulations anyway, you guys did good.
Thank you.
All right.
You're living dangerous, it's all a phase to keep you awake through the flat line of these days. So keep on running off the line, keep up with me. The truths you'll sown, you'll need some time. We're traveling and we're moving. We're traveling and we're moving. Take the trip to the great unknown. Capsule, a gift from me. Keep the height, come touch the sky with me. It's all a stage to make you great. A small reminder for you to save the day. Light up the room with extra rays. Keep on moving, sense no time, feel no anger, see no evil. Waves of thoughts make you perceive. We took one step too far